Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love, 10:59 on the clock and you are back with me at live na po tayo both on air and online. Live tayo ngayon sa Love Radio Manila para sa ating Byahe Sender of the Night. So wag na natin patagalin pa. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. So basahin na natin ang biyahe ng buhay ni Sis. Ayaw. Good PM DJ Lala, tawagin mo na lang ako sa pangalang Sis. Hingi sana ako ng advice sa iyo DJ kasi isa po ako sa #1 fan mo. Gabi-gabi akong nanonood ng live mo DJ Lala. Okay lang din po sa akin kung tatawagin niyo akong maldita, inaamin ko naman po yon kasi po sila mismo ang nagturo sa akin na maging isang maldita. 17 years old ako noon DJ Lala. Merong lalaking nagugustuhan yung parents ko para sa akin. At sinabi niya sa akin na yun daw aasawahin ko para daw sa bandang huli, hindi daw ako maghihirap para sa magiging future ko. Nung time na sinabi niya yun sa akin DJ Lala, natulala ako kasi ang bata ko pa. Di ko alam kung ano ang pinagsasabi sa akin ng nanay ko. Ang isip ko lang noon DJ, mag-aaral ako at makakapagtapos, yun lang yung nasa isip ko, wala nang iba. Nagulat ako at natulala ako noon. Sinabi sa akin kasi ng nanay ko na yun na yung lalaking aasawahin ko. Sa sobrang bata ako noon dahil hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko, lumayas ako sa bahay para makaiwas sa lalaki na yon na gusto ng nanay ko para maging asawa ko. Natulog ako sa gitna ng kagubatan para hindi ako laging makita. Pero nahanap pa rin ako at inaya nila ako pa uwi. Nung sumama ako sa kanilang bahay, pinagstay nila ako doon hanggang sa dumating yung isang araw. Fast forward. Wala akong magawa sa desisyon ng nanay ko na manhika ng lalaki sa bahay namin na hindi ko naman boyfriend. Sobrang sakit isipin na nasira ang pangarap ko sa buhay dahil sa kagustuhan ng nanay ko. Fast forward, pagkatapos mamanhika na nung lalaki DJ Lala, nung gabi na yon pinainom nila ako ng alak na may gamot pampatulog. Kaya po nakuha nung lalaki yung pagkababae ko. Pagkagising ko ng umaga, nakita ko na lang meron ng dugo sa panty ko at sobrang sakit na ng private part ko. DJ, iyak ako ng iyak nun. Hanggang sa nagbunga yung ginawa niya sa akin, nagkaroon kami ng anak na babae. Ngayon 13 years old na yung bata. Fast forward, pagkatapos ko manganak, nag-isang taon ang baby ko, iniwan ko sa nanay ko at pumunta ako ng Manila at naghanap ako ng trabaho. Mga 14 years na ako dito sa Manila, isang beses pa lang akong nakauwi sa amin. Na-trauma kasi talaga ako DJ Lala. At hanggang ngayon, galit ako sa nanay ko. Pero mahal ko pa rin naman yung nanay ko, pero sa ginawa niya sa akin, hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. 33 years old na ako ngayon, single pa rin, may mga nanliligaw pero dinidedma ko. DJ Lala, thank you po sa pagbabasa. Ngayon lang kasi ako nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob sabihin to sa'yo kasi magaling kang mag-advise for me. So sana po mabasa mo yung mensahe ko sa'yo. Thank you, DJ Lala. Hi sis, first of all, I wanna apologize for whatever it is that happened to you. Yung past trauma mo is something na hindi mo dapat pinagdaanan. You don't deserve that. No one deserves that. Pero unfortunately, sa ibang lugar naman talaga, it's not normal. It shouldn't be. It doesn't have to be normal. Pero nangyayari to. O, diba? Kumbaga, isa to sa mga bagay na hindi natin madedenay. Arranged marriage, fixed marriage, kasi gusto nila ng good future for us. Pero yung nangyari sa'yo is a different story. Kasi you were violated. In all forms, you were violated. And I'm so sorry that has to happen to you and that has to leave not only trauma but a mark sa lifetime mo as a person, as a woman. I'm so sorry it happened to you. I have no words but I apologize. Not in behalf of your parents, but I apologize that it has to happen to you. Pero ganito, no, we can never change what happened to us in the past. I understand how traumatized you are. I understand how heavy this is to you. How heavy yung memory of the past is to you. Pero the only way for us to move on from it is to accept that it happened. Hindi natin i-accept na tama yung nangyari, but we just have to acknowledge that it does. Nakuha niya na yung pagkabata mo, love. Ito yung gusto kong perspektibong tignan mo. Nakuha niya na yung pagkabata mo. Nakuha niya na yung younger years mo. Please do not let the past take what's left sa coming years ng buhay mo. Please do not let the past overshadow what tomorrow can bring you. Yung salvation, yung better future, yung hope of a better tomorrow, wag mo nang hayaang kunin pa yon ng nakaraan sa'yo. I know it's easier said than done kapag sinabi ko sa'yo, kalimutan mo na yung nangyari sa past, i-accept na lang natin nangyari na siya. You don't have to go back if you are not ready. I know easier said than done. Pero as of the moment kasi, that's all we can do about it. We cannot undo what was already done to you. What we can do right now is to strengthen who you are right now and hope that tomorrow you'll be less and less and less afraid of what tomorrow can bring. Kasi my love, if hahayaan mong i-overshadow ka ng nakaraan, you can never be happy. If hahayaan mo nga nakakadena ka pa sa nakaraan, nangyari sa yung hindi maganda sa nakaraan, sisirain nun pati yung future na pwede sana para sa'yo, potentially sanang bright for someone like you. I want you to look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself that what happened to you in the past doesn't define who you are. Gusto kong tignan mo yung sarili mo sa salamin with pride. Kung ano man yung nangyari sa'yo, it doesn't make you any less prettier than you are right now. It doesn't make you less lovable. It doesn't make you less worthy. Kung ano yung nangyari sa'yo sa nakaraan, it will make you stronger. Kasi right now, tignan mo yung sarili mo. You've come a long way. You've spent so many years away from home on your own 2 feet, and andito ka pa din. Yes, struggling, but you are thriving. Compared dun sa batang naglayas, pumunta sa gitna ng gubat at nahanap nila at napabalik at napagawa sa kanila, napagawa sa iyo kung ano yung gusto nilang ipagawa sa iyo. You are far from that child right now. You are far from that version of you right now. And I don't know whatever happened to your relationship with your child, but I just hope na kahit papaano, ino-open mo pa rin yung communication lines mo dun sa anak mo. Whether or not na yung batang yon ay produkto ng pagmamahal or produkto ng anuman na nangyari sa iyo, my love, I just hope that child won't suffer for whatever na horrific na ginawa sa iyo nung lalaking nakagawa nun sa iyo or ng magulang mo sa iyo. I hope that that child doesn't have to suffer for it. Tandaan mo, my love, sis, babae din yun eh. Babae din yung anak mo. So, kung ano yung nangyari sa'yo at kung andun siya sa poder ng mga magulang mo, I'm afraid na hindi naman sa pag-aano, baka yun lang din yung mangyari dun sa bata. I just hope na if hindi mo man mabago kung ano yung nangyari sa'yo, I hope mabago mo yung bukas para sa kanya. I hope mabago mo yung future para sa kanya. Sabi nga natin, di ba, we are all given a chance to do better in life. Maybe not for us, but for other people. Maybe not for our own sake, but for someone else's sake. And sometimes, yun ang ating redemption. So, kung hindi man natin mabawi kung ano yung masamang nangyari sa atin, kung hindi man natin mabago yung nakaraan natin, sana mabago natin yung kinabukasan ng iba. Lalong-lalo na yun, hindi yun iba sa iyo, my love eh. That is your child. She can be your redemption. She can be your strength. She can be your reason to be better, to be okay na nangyari yun sa'yo. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, it doesn't make you less of a person kung nangyari yun sa'yo. What happened to you made those people less of a person, but not you. Not you, my love. It made you stronger. It will make you wiser. It will make you smarter. Sabihin na natin horrific yung nangyari sa'yo. Kasi it is. Pero it doesn't have to define who you are. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? So kung gusto mong baguhin yung future para sa'yo, I just hope makita mo yung anggulo ng buhay mo kasama yung anak mo. It will matter in your life. It will matter sa magiging desisyon mo for the years to come. Not only for yourself, but for that child's life as well. That child will look up to you. Not as someone na merong horrific past, but as someone na she wants to be like. Paglaki niya, she wants to be with every single day. Kasi ikaw yung nanay niya eh. And for her, you are her hero. So my love, I just hope and I just pray na mag-reconnect ka with that child. Kasi sa kanya, walang mali sa'yo. You are more, not less. You are perfect just the way you are. Even with your past, even with your traumatic experience, you will always be perfect sa mata ng batang yon. So I just hope, my love, you reconnect with her kasi maybe, just maybe, she is your redemption. She will give you peace. Kasi you know na something good came out from something bad. Naintindihan mo ko? That child's innocence will remind you na not all things in life is bad. Not all things na nangyari ay walang silbi sa kinabukasan mo, walang magiging ambag sa buhay mo, walang magandang nakuha. Wala kang magandang nakuha out of it kasi meron. That child is one of the most beautiful thing na nakuha mo out of that experience. And that child is yours. A blood for a blood, laman sa laman mo yun. So, I want you to look at yourself in the mirror and picture that girl, little girl, with you. Kung mangangarap ka, my love, isama mo siya sa pangarap mo and things will be a lot different. Yung sense of responsibility, yung sense of being a mother will change you. I know, kumbaga, coming from someone that is not yet a mom, madaling sabihin sa akin pero mahirap panindigan. But I'm telling you as a tita, it's far from being a mom, pero yung responsibility that comes along with it, the pride that I see sa mata ng mga parents na kilala ko, sa mga nanay na kilala ko, sa pride na nakikita ko sa mata ng nanay ko, there's nothing more she wants in life than yung anak niya. There's nothing more na ikinapaproud niya sa buhay niya kung di yung mga anak niya. Hindi man siya siguro nag-thrive as a person, as a woman, hindi man siguro siya nag-thrive sa buhay niya, alam niya sa mga anak niya, nagtagumpay siya. So my love, I want you to see your triumph. I want you to see your future through the eyes of your own kid. Naintindihan mo ko, sis? That's the only way you can move on. To accept the things you cannot change. And to see beyond the shadows of doubt na nilalagay sa'yo ng nakaraan and see that you have a future. You have a beautiful one. It's not yet too late for you to start a new life. You have already done that the moment na pumunta ka sa Manila 14 years ago. But this time around, I want you to do that with a purpose. Kasi meron ka ng importante at special na purpose in life. You are not only living for yourself, you are living for someone else too. And that someone else is your own child. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Again, hindi mo man mabago yung nakaraan mo. Sana baguhin mo yung sa kanya. Para makita mo na there's more to life than your bad past. There's more to life than your traumatic past. There's more to life than that. You had a bad experience. You had a bad past. But that doesn't mean you have a bad life. You still have a lot of years ahead of you. Please. Kunin mo yung bata. Magsama kayo. Bigyan mo ng magandang future, hindi lang siya, kung hindi ikaw. so that makita mo na there's still something here in this earth na worth living for. And there's something here with you right now na worth forgetting your past for. And that is your child. You and your child's future. Naintindihan mo ako, sis? Again, you are beautiful. Kahit yun pa yung nangyari sa'yo, you are worth it. You are worthy of love. You are worthy to be in love. You are worthy to be loved. Hindi mo ikinababa yun bilang isang babae. Hindi mo yun ikinababa bilang isang tao. Sila yun, halimaw sila. Pero ikaw hindi. That doesn't make you a monster. It gave you a scar. It made you wounded. Pero not a monster. And wound, yung scars, it makes us stronger, my love. So tandaan mo, pangit yung nakaraan mo. Pero hindi yung kinabukasan mo. Klaro? I hope, sis, I was able to get through you. I hope I was able na sabihin sa'yo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin from this moment on so that you can see yourself differently sa harapan ng salamin. Para hindi mo makita yung sarili mo as a victim sa harapan ng salamin but as a mother. We can always move on from our bad past. We just have to choose to step forward in order to do so. Hindi na kasi natin kayang baguhin. Hindi na natin makokontrol yung nakaraan. What we can control is how we will address the future. So my love, I hope you'll draw all the strength you can from that experience. Put it in a positive light and change for the better. Not only for you, but carry your child with you. Sana maging maganda yung future ninyong mag-ina kasi you guys deserve that. Pero you have to be together, okay?